promoted Ashton Agnes. Let's go.
Daming bitbit na isa sa
Ano meron? Ano meron? Nation!
Saan si Sian?
Alright, guys. I want to pass all of you guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys later. Thank you. Okay. Ready na kayo sa quiz? Question number 1. Para quiz pala to eh. First match, let's go! There we go. Picture. Up close. There we go.
SM Caloocan. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Oh my gosh, para sila naka-Bluetooth speaker, no? Ang lakas, ang lala. Wow talaga, guys. Wow.
Yung iba dito, bago pa magbukas yung mall, nandito na eh. Sino yun? Grabe! Thank you so much. Thank you po sa lahat po nang nandito, sa ground floor, sa second floor, sa third floor, sa likod. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. And of course, gusto ko lang po kayo, don't forget to stream po my version of Sa Bawat Sandali. You can all stream it sa all music platforms. And kakalabas na po ng music video po kahapon. Mapapanood niyo po siya sa mapapanood niyo po siya sa YouTube channel ko po.
Last week, ano ka na yun?
100K. Wow! Thank you so
100K?
much sa lahat ng nag-stream. Maraming salamat po.
Napaka-OA magmahal.
Sobra.
Salamat.
Ganyan pagmamahal lang yung dama.
May makeup ka ba? Parang wala kang
May makeup ba yan?
Siyempre, wala kami.
Grabe yung face, oh. Ang kinis. Oh. Pero, Andres, anything that you wanna say, I'm sure there are a lot of things that you wanna say from the bottom of your heart. Pero anything that you wanna say before tayo mag-group picture with them. Sa lahat ng mga ulupeng nakasama natin.
Yun nga, guys, gusto ko lang sabihin, maraming salamat talaga. Itong support, nakakita ko na yung mall show, grabe ka. At kung alam nyo lang, first mall show ko to, kaya nakakatawa talaga na nandito lahat tayo para sa support. It means so much. And guys, please continue rin to support ang Mutyangan Section E. Saan? Saan? Sa Viva?
Viva! Andres, alam mo, kanina pa ako nagsasabi, pero sabihin mo nga sila na mag-behave. Sila, oh. Sabihin mo mag-behave yung mga yan.
Guys, behave.
Chill lang tayo, guys, ha? Chill lang. Maraming. Andres, this one is for you.
Ate po, hawakan mo nga.
Thank you so much. O, kaya na lang. Ito na. There we go! Picture na tayo, guys, with all of you! Alright, smile, ladies and gentlemen! Pakisarap muna tayo, guys, sa mga picture, smile! One more time! There we go. Parang pwede ba ako pwede nag-cut? Cut Abel ka. Alright, one more time. Alright, with all of you. Picture! Wala tayo, guys. Wala tayo. Okay, asan yung GC light mo? Ano ba yung GC light mo? Smile! Maraming salamat. One more time. Graduate na naman.
Wala na sana.
Yan yung principal.
Parang ulit asa.
Alright guys, last invite. Kung saan na tayo pwede sila ito makita, promoted, Ashton and Andres as well.
Gusto ko lang po sabihin na last 5 episodes po na kinikip ng sexually. Napapanood ko po ito. Kaya kinikip ng episodes po every Friday sa Vivo Live. Thank you so much po, Vivo. And of course, sa May 1, di ba?
Yes! Ano meron? Ano meron? Reaction!
See you there po. Thank you so much po. Let's pray for Daegu. Let's pray for Daegu.
Alright guys, all the cast, maraming salamat. I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much. Again, GAT, Yan Yan, and of course, Ashton and Ashton. Of course! Thank you na. Ethan, you have anything to promote? Okay ba ba kayo? Saan kayo? Sana po makapunta po kayo show namin sa March 22 sa Viva Cafe sa Cubao. At sa ngayon, please keep streaming Darren Tares sa Spotify! Darren Tares! Thank you everyone! Have a good night! Thank you so much, brother Ethan. GAT, salamat! All of you guys, thank you so much. I'll see you guys later. Thank you! Thank you so much.
Ethan!
Let's go! There we go! Picture na tayo guys with all of you! Okay, so harap muna tayo guys. Harap muna tayo dito family. Picture, smile. One more time. Gumiling ang bangkis na, ang bangkis na gumiling. Woohoo! There we go. Pwede na ba ako parte ng gat? Gat, ate ng gat. Alright, one more time. Nice one. Alright, with all of you. Picture! Baba tayo guys, baba tayo. Sabi, asan yung diesel light mo? Sino tayo yung diesel light mo? Smile! One more time. Congratulations! Alright guys, all the cast, maraming salamat. I'll see you guys later. Palagi namin kayo mamaya. Thank you so much. GMT, Yan Yan, and of course, our express and costume. Of course! Eto na, Ethan, you're gonna do the quote. Okay ka ba kayo? Sana po makapunta po kayo sa show namin sa March 22 sa Viva Cafe sa Cubao. At sa May 1, please keep singing Darling Darling sa Spotify! Darling Darling! Thank you everyone!
I love you all.
Thank you so much, brother Ethan. GNT, salamat! All of you guys, thank you so much. I'll see you guys later. Thank you! Thank you so much.